Okay, we're all geared up. This is my son, Jordan. We just got off the highway, unloaded at Ophir, and ready to make our way to the trail to access it. This canyon that straight over to the left is where we're gonna go up to get on the trail. It's quite a climb to get up there. This may turn out to be one of the harder rides I've been on, so we'll see how it goes. So I just talked to a guy in a side-by-side who told me that we actually passed the Jacob City. There was a little turnoff, the road widens and we turned off, so we're a couple miles past it at this point. I think at this point we're gonna keep going around the loop we'll go down here 2 or 3 miles, and then he said where you see the bus, apparently there's no bus down here, it's very rocky from there down. So we'll go take a look at that. Just want to see what's there. Won't deal with the rocks to make the final, to close the loop on it this time. I think we'll be about 3/4 away around the loop. Then we're going to come back to see Jacob City from this way. So we're going to backtrack back to here. So here we go. So I just realized that I'm not getting much braking action because I've been riding them down the hill. It looks like it's a little hot. So we've been coming down some pretty steep grades, and I've been riding the back brake quite a bit. And then I just realized I don't have any brakes, and I think this is why. Everything's just hot. Okay, I think we are here. Question is whether to explore the top road or the bottom road first. Let's go to the top road. Okay, does it look like a city? Well, let's see. There's a foundation from something. Here's another foundation. Looks like they even had plumbing in it. bridge culvert right there that we just rode across. Don't see that this was big enough for 300 people to live here unless they were really packed in. Oh, there's another, oh, there's trees growing where the foundation is. It's kind of hiding it. Okay, well, I guess we're at Jacob City now. Checking things out a little bit. But we missed the road a few different times. I can't say that it's exactly easy to find. We had to take a few tries, try a few different roads before we got it to work out. But we'll explore around, see what else we can find here. So somebody said there was a hotel and a few stores. I would imagine they're just really small shops. And then there was housing up here. And that there was a school also. And at one point, I think there were 300 people that lived in this city. All right, we're on the bikes getting out of here. We were just talking about whether to go to the lower level. I believe that one drops down to Ophir, so we're gonna save that for a future trip. So we'll just start cruising on home. Well, it looks like we're at the end of the line here. Sign over there, private property, no trespassing, no ATVs, no vehicles. We probably shouldn't go there, I guess. So, I guess we'll take a rest here and then turn back. All right, we're back to the trucks and ready to load. Fun ride today. We did maybe about 50 miles is all, but judging from the fact that I'm on empty and I can usually get 80 miles on a tank, they were hard-earned miles. So get some loading done here and be on the road.